I'm standing in one of the quarries in North Wales, which just a century ago would have roofed much of Europe. This ridge would have been full of the sound of steam and hammer and a thriving, bustling industry. But the slate behind me is all that's now left of that activity which once transformed the whole of this area. There's a rugged beauty here, to be sure, but also a sense of sadness, of life having moved on, of an emptiness, a void which is hard to fill. It's made me reflect again on the ruined landscape of Good Friday, of hopes dashed, dreams torn apart, and despair visited on those disciples who followed Jesus up until his arrest and then his killing. One of them, reflecting on these events, said, "We had hoped he was the one to sort everything out. We had hoped," he said. Jesus has already become a figure of the past. What shifted the dial for those disciples was when they found themselves in conversation with someone who had no business being there. He should still be in the grave where they had left him. And yet, being with him and talking with him, they were sure this was the one who just a few days earlier had died so cruelly. I suspect some of us will relate to this. We too have an emptiness. Maybe there's a void, maybe a sense of life having moved on. If that's you, I want to invite you to make this your Emmaus road and to find in conversation with him new purpose, new life. This is the promise of Easter. Happy Easter, everyone.